Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check the web version on the Novelist application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my home screen, and you just click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the fourth option, the web version. Click that, and use the app switch to the web version, and here you can select the mode. You can agree with the policies. I select the normal mode and click to the start button at the lower right corner of the home screen, and you can use the Novelist app as a web version. If you want to finish that, just click to the upper left corner of the home screen at the X button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.